I'd like to now introduce Dr. Lisa Carnell. She is the co-chair for organizing the workshop, and she is the Biological and Physical Sciences Program Scientist for Translational Research at NASA headquarters. Lisa, welcome.
Thanks for that, Kevin. Can everybody see my slides okay? We were having a little hiccup here with WebEx.
Yes.
Great. So welcome everybody. Craig already welcomed you quite warmly to the Lunar Surface Science Workshop. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the agenda, goals, and expectations of the workshop this week. So the primary purpose of the workshop is to educate and inform our science, engineering, and commercial communities on the NASA lunar physical sciences and exploration activities that we'd like to undertake. We're going to talk with you about this through plenary sessions, the abstract talks, and we also have the pre-recorded poster presentations that are available online as well. We're hoping that we can engage you, all the scientific community, to get your input about what lunar surface research we should be conducting on future lunar missions. And then we'd also like to enhance your knowledge so that you can contribute to the National Academies of Science decadal review activities and white papers. So we've already discussed what the goal is of this workshop, and within that we have a few major objectives that we'd like to accomplish. First, we want to identify what the top priority physical sciences, knowledge gaps, and research topics are that we should be conducting on the moon or in cislunar orbit. So if you can help us identify those so that we can enable sustained lunar habitation and future Mars missions as well. And then we'd also like to learn what meaningful science you believe can be conducted on the moon given its unique environment. And then we also would like to identify key technologies, technical capabilities, and what resources are needed to conduct the physical sciences research on the moon. So we have an incredible plenary session planned for you all. You'll hear from a lot of the NASA program scientists in the physical sciences area, the co-chair for the National Academies of Science Decadal Survey. You'll get an overview of our plans for Artemis, and we'll delve into several research areas, topics of interest for lunar research. Okay, so we're going to run 3 concurrent sessions. So hopefully that wasn't confusing. There are separate links for each of those. The first of these will be life support and thermal management, followed immediately by materials flammability and habitat fire safety. And both of these are going to be extremely important for sustained human presence on the moon or on Mars. Our second concurrent session is lunar research for advanced manufacturing. And this will cover research that will support advanced manufacturing. We're going to hear about in-space manufacturing from materials to capabilities. Concurrent session 3 will go into fundamental physics on the lunar surface. And it's going to be followed by a discussion on the importance of white papers for the decadal survey. The fundamental physics sessions will not hold a separate breakout session, but they will have the discussion session at the end of the talks today. So we will have 3 breakout sessions this afternoon, or I'm sorry, 2 breakout sessions this afternoon that are related to the main 3 topics that we've discussed in the earlier sessions. And this is an opportunity for you to share all of your thoughts and ideas on what we should be doing in these particular areas for lunar research. And just to,
if you're looking at like loss of formation of monomer or loss of polymer,
please mute your mic.
Curve, either one up or one going down.
Okay, and just a reminder, as Kevin already said, that these talks, both plenary and abstract talks, are all available online about a week after the workshop if you'd like to go back and revisit any of the content. And we will also send that link out to you as well. And I would like to remind everybody that we do have some fantastic pre-recorded poster presentations that you can see if you visit this website, located down below. That site is going to be open for about 2 weeks after the workshop ends, so it gives you plenty of time to go back in and peruse those talks. And of course, as Craig already said, thank you to everyone, the plenary speakers, abstract speakers, our poster presenters, and we can't thank enough the workshop team that put in a lot of effort putting this workshop together. The Lunar Surface Science Working Group, Lunar and Planetary Institute, USRA, Survey, all of our breakout session chairs, facilitators, note takers, and slide drivers. And of course, this wouldn't be possible without all of you, the attendees of the Physical Sciences Lunar Surface Workshop. So I hope you enjoy the workshop and look forward to hearing your feedback.